Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Ripnaud III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando, Orange County based social security disability law firm. Let's go right to the question. This is 101 of the top 200 hearing questions. Do you do your own laundry, or does someone help you with it? Now, this is not the question you'll get in the hearing. What you'll get is, do you have any difficulty, with laundry? But this is a good question because it opens up the identity of somebody else assisting you with that household function. You might not be able to do it on your own, or somebody else is there on behalf of the state to assist you, like Medicaid, Medicare situation. Do you do your own laundry, which means you can lift it, you can put it in, you go do the timer on it, you come back at the right time, make sure you do the soap, make sure you do the dryer sheets when you put it in the dryer, you have the capacity to do all these things and follow instructions. Do you do your own laundry, or does someone help you with it? Or does somebody else do it because you're not with capacity to be able to handle the laundry? All right. I'm going to go on to question 102. Remember, like, subscribe, leave 5 stars. I'll catch up with you later. Give me a call or shoot me an email if you have a question. And catch me live 8 to 10 every Thursday Eastern Standard Time on YouTube. It's free, and you can ask me whatever questions you want. All right. Thanks so much. Catch you a little bit later. We'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.